Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes, thunderchief build in action. Now we rolled it again and marked a bunch more spots. But you know what? Next time I prime it, there won't be near as many spots. My spots will be smaller. Go from big pencil marks to little pencil marks. That's to no pencil marks. That's when we're ready for the panel lines. But I'll tell you what, people, that's going to be a video series all in itself. This plane was nothing but little bitty panels all over this airplane. And some of these places in here, these are pretty deep. Sometimes it's just better off not trying to fill them all the way up first pass. You know, you end up just fighting it and it don't come out good enough anyway. Just kind of get you some Bondo in there and move on. Let that set up and hit her again. Know what I mean? On this one, we're going to make us a nice engine hatch and get into some stuff that we didn't do on the B1. So this ought to be a real interesting series for you guys. Stuff setting up. One quick look around. Then my cardboard piece here, I like to just keep reusing this stuff. You know, so you spread it thin or spread it flat while there's still a little bit of life in that Bondo, and then clean off your spreader. Plain old lacquer thinner works great. Bam. Ready for action. Okay, now let's go back and look. Where's them big old feet again? Y'all got some big old feet. You know what I can tell you that? Okay, now this is, while this Bondo is still rubbery, come in here and trim that edge where you push past it a little bit. Yeah, that still needs, now I can hit that one more time and it'll look good. It will look good. Don't you think? Alright, now what? Let's see. Let's go ahead and roll it a little bit more. Just a little bit, so we get a different angle on this side. Different angle view. Just go over this whole thing with your hand. Man, that area looks good. There's a whole big old area. Ain't got no Bondo on it. You see that? No, spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Oh, there's a spot there. Now I'm getting to that spot. Okay. Put some more Bondo. We're going to be sanding on this thing not long. I'll make some more videos when I'm sanding. Use my different sanding blocks for different areas of the plane. I love my sanding block collection. Different sanding blocks work good for different situations. Got some flexible ones, got some firm ones, got some big ones, got some small ones, and I got my favorite one. You know what I mean? Oh, here's a big old bad spot. Oh, telephone's ringing. I'm going to have to call him back after I get this. Oh, that's Paul. Hey, Paul, I'll call you right back. As soon as I get this Bondo spread. Alright people, we'll see you back in the shop. I'm going to make some more videos this afternoon, so stay tuned.